Hey up everybody, how the devil are we? I'm sounding a bit hoarse this morning, so I do apologise. Yeah, the Vectra needs a back box. I've got a brand new one here. I don't think it's blowing as such, but let's just say the mounting brackets are, yeah, just kind of held on with hopes and dreams. Yeah, I haven't got much to do today, so I thought let's fit this back box, and why not bring the people along? So yeah, I've gone along and I've already sprayed the rubbers off to get everything off. I did poke a hole in it with a screwdriver just a minute ago, so it's got to go. It is an original GM1, so this is probably going to weigh an absolute ton. The aftermarket one that I've got is yeah, I suppose it'll do. It's yeah, why not? So let me get you propped down here somewhere out the way, and we'll do his best to get it off. Right, we can see. There we go. One bit of adjustment. Right, and it's not too bad to get off. It's got to be a bit of brute force and ignorance. Like I say, I've gone over and sprayed everything, so everything should come undone. And the beauty about these Vauxhall ones is there's no real like U-clamps or anything. Everything's kind of screwed and bolted together. So I'm hoping everything's going to come off just fine. So let's give it a whirl, shall we? One, got spring bolts such as that. Oh, this one's tight. Go. Got that there. Back on. Like so. Oh, that was easy enough. Okay. There's there's one. You've got to pry the rubbers off. Oh yeah, baby. There's one. Oh. Yeah, okay. That's off. That's heavy. Move some of these tools out of the way. Drag this out. I'm going to go start it up. Sorry, I can't resist. Normal service has now been resumed. I enjoyed that. this a bit of a clean. Yes, right. We'll put some more squirt in these rubbers. Yeah, we like a well-lubed rubber. Can go with that. Shall grab some sealant. Move you a little bit more so we can see, like so. Don't need too much. And there. Where's my cloth? Just a little bit of room temperature vulcanising stuff. Okay. Right. Flip her over. Oh, that's heavy. Then I shall use this. These ones first, I do believe. Oh, like so. Oh, that's those two. Oh, that's short. Okay. And then, oh! Wow, that's, yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, my strength. Oh, there we go. That's quite short, that is. Oh well. Interesting. I'll get this done up. There we go. Right. That's not too bad. I'll play about with the adjustment on those in a bit. But, that is on your back box on your vectra. Let's go and see what it sounds like. Look. There she goes. Trying to do this with as limited editing as possible because I haven't got the time. Yeah, that doesn't sound too bad, does it? Not for a cheap aftermarket one, I suppose. So yeah, hanger brackets like so. Yeah, we're all okay. The rest of the system looks okay, to be fair. There we go. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll catch you again soon. Ta-ra!